Welcome back to another video, and as you can see, we're doing more truck maintenance. I realized last week after I was having some issues with my brakes that I have a stuck caliper pin. So decided I'm gonna get those changed as soon as I possibly can. Obviously there's not a whole lot of room how big the truck is in the garage, but I'm gonna do my best to see if I can document it for you guys. I've never done this. This is not something that I have experience with. I don't want to claim to be a master. I just watch the videos and I think I can do it. We're gonna try to get it done. I probably won't talk very much during this video because like I said, I don't want to claim I know anything that I don't. Do this at your own risk. However, it seems like it's a fairly simple process. Gonna start it up and pump the brakes to ensure that that fluid gets back to where it needs to be and that we have pressure. Starting to get stiffer, I think you're getting close.